The world of reality television thrives on transformation stories, and few shows have captured the public's attention quite like TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters. At the center of the story is Tammy Slaton, whose life has been chronicled in raw and often heartbreaking detail, from her struggles with extreme obesity to her ongoing journey through health scares, relationships, and the public scrutiny. Over the course of the series, Tammy has been painted in many different lights, from the villain of her own story to an underdog fighting for her life to most recently a figure of inspiration after her dramatic weight loss and medical recovery. But while many fans have embraced her as a hero of resilience, others believe there are glaring red flags that suggest Tammy may not be the inspirational icon the world wants her to be. The narrative surrounding Tammy has shifted drastically over the seasons. In earlier episodes, she was portrayed as combative, resistant to change, and often at odds with her family, particularly her sister Amy, who attempted to support her while juggling her own health and family responsibilities. Tammy's sharp-tongued, explosive temper and tendency to lash out became a focal point of the drama on the show, making her one of reality TV's most polarizing figures. While some viewers empathized with the immense mental and physical battles she was facing, others saw a pattern of manipulation, self-sabotage, and toxicity that often undermined her progress. Even as Tammy began to make strides in her weight loss journey, undergoing surgery, shedding hundreds of pounds, and eventually regaining mobility, the conversation around her did not fully shift to one of unquestioned admiration. Instead, new questions began to arise. Was Tammy truly turning her life around for the better, or was she still falling back into familiar patterns of entitlement and self-destruction behind the scenes? Critics argue that her history of toxic behavior toward family, friends, and fans alike cannot be dismissed simply because of her physical transformation. One major red flag that skeptics point to is Tammy's long record of lashing out at those closest to her. Throughout multiple seasons, viewers saw repeated instances of her belittling Amy, ignoring medical advice, and refusing to acknowledge her own role in setbacks. Whether it was fighting with her siblings over meal choices or accusing them of not caring enough, Tammy often shifted blame rather than taking accountability. These moments raised concerns about whether her emotional growth was keeping pace with her physical one. Her family, who sacrificed time and energy to support her, were often met with hostility, which paints a very different picture than the hero narrative now being pushed online. Another troubling pattern lies in Tammy's relationships. Over the years, the show documented her involvement with questionable partners, some of whom were accused of enabling her unhealthy habits or taking advantage of her vulnerability. Fans noticed how quickly Tammy jumped into serious commitments and how often these relationships ended in chaos or heartbreak. While it's natural for someone craving love to seek companionship, the repeated cycles of toxic romances highlighted her susceptibility to poor decision-making. For critics, this was less a story of romantic hope and more evidence of a deeper struggle with self-worth and discernment that has yet to be resolved. Social media has also been a breeding ground for controversy. Tammy has built a large following online where she interacts with fans directly. Yet her online presence has often been combative and volatile. She has clapped back at critics with harsh words, blocked supportive fans who asked tough questions, and even engaged in feuds that spilled over into tabloid headlines. For someone hailed as an inspiration, Tammy often seems more interested in proving her haters wrong than in embracing the role model status thrust upon her. These outbursts raise doubts about whether she is truly prepared to handle the spotlight responsibly, or if she is simply capitalizing on the fame without addressing the personal issues that once nearly cost her life. The hero label has also been complicated by Tammy's reliance on her family, especially Amy. From the beginning, Amy put her own health journey on hold to support Tammy, helping her attend appointments, providing emotional backup, and even serving as her caretaker when mobility was limited. Despite Amy's sacrifices, Tammy frequently criticized or dismissed her sister's efforts. Fans remember moments where Amy broke down in tears, frustrated that Tammy never seemed to appreciate how much she was doing. Now that Tammy is healthier, many wonder if she has ever truly acknowledged the depth of her sister's support, or if the imbalance in their relationship will always be a lingering red flag. There is also the issue of authenticity. Reality TV is known for dramatization and selective editing, but even accounting for that, Tammy's story raises questions about how much of her progress is genuine versus played up for the cameras. For example, her sudden commitment to weight loss seemed to appear only after years of stubborn resistance, leading some to speculate whether the motivation was less about health and more about saving the show from cancellation. Critics believe Tammy may have learned how to perform as a redeemed character on screen while still engaging in toxic behavior privately. This discrepancy between public persona and private reality is one of the most common red flags fans have discussed in online forums. Financial questions also loom in the background. As a reality star, Tammy now has opportunities for sponsorships, appearances, and other income streams. Yet some followers worry that she may squander these chances much as she has squandered other opportunities in the past. There are ongoing concerns about whether she has the discipline to manage money wisely, especially given her history of impulsive choices and reliance on others. For viewers who once saw her nearly lose her life in a rehabilitation center, the idea that she might repeat destructive cycles is deeply unsettling. At the heart of the issue is the tension between physical transformation and emotional growth. Yes, Tammy has undergone an astonishing weight loss that has extended her life and opened new possibilities, but fans who have watched from the beginning argue that weight loss alone does not erase years of negative behavior. True heroism, they argue, would involve acknowledging her past mistreatment of loved ones, making amends, and using her platform to build others up rather than tearing them down. Without that growth, Tammy risks falling into the category of reality TV personalities who achieve short-term redemption arcs, only to later reveal unresolved personal demons. Of course, it would be unfair to say Tammy has not made any progress. Even her harshest critics acknowledge that losing hundreds of pounds and surviving multiple health crises is no small feat. Her perseverance through medical emergencies and near-death experiences deserves recognition. Yet the danger lies in oversimplifying her story. If the media continues to portray Tammy as a flawless hero, it risks erasing the complexity of her struggles and misleading viewers who may look to her as a model of recovery. True change is messy, and it requires more than surgery or a few positive headlines. It requires humility, accountability, and a willingness to consistently choose healthier relationships with oneself and others. In many ways, the debate over Tammy Slaton reflects a broader cultural issue, a tendency to turn reality stars into either villains or heroes without allowing room for nuance. Tammy is neither purely one nor the other. She is a deeply flawed individual who has overcome extraordinary odds but who still shows signs of toxic habits that could undermine her progress. By acknowledging these red flags, viewers and fans can support her journey without blindly celebrating a narrative that may not tell the whole story. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to capture attention, the question remains whether Tammy will embrace the chance to grow not just physically but emotionally and spiritually as well. Will she learn to repair relationships with her family, stop lashing out at critics, and make wiser choices in love and life? Or will the old patterns resurface and drag her back into the same cycles that nearly destroyed her? The answers are not yet clear, but one thing is certain: Tammy Slaton's story is far from over, and whether she becomes the hero fans want her to be or remains a cautionary tale will depend on the choice she makes moving forward. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.